Hello.
Hello.
Smile.
I'm making gummy bears.
Put them in the mold.
Until we put in the fridge and then we'll pop them. That's what my fun part is.
This is how you pop it. Pop it.
Yeah, you pop it and you just do like this.
Pop it.
And there's actually a bubble. A bubble. This is how your gummy bears look like. You take off the excess after.
Sweetheart, we're showing how to pop it out. Okay, this is an easy
peasy
rubber mold.
Easy peasy homeschool. From Mom. Like eating gummy bears.
Easy mold, see?
Easy peasy molds. See that? I was just popping and easily see this gummy bear. It's real from the girls.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Easy peasy. Good, is it yummy?
Yeah. And this gummy bear has a face, and it's so squishy. Gummy bear. Your gummy bears can stick everywhere. My channel, my channel.